Hi, what's up? It's Philip and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are cutting things in Unreal Engine 5, so let's go. Let's say for example you want to cut the hole in this wall. It's very easy. Let's go over here, quickly add one shape, for example cube, and this cube will be our cutter. We will cut with this cube through our wall. So we can make it a little bit wider and position it where you want to cut your hole. As you can see, it fits perfectly with the wall, so it's cool. And now we need to go to selection mode. We go to the modeling, and over here go to the model tab, and you can see this Boolean. It says apply Boolean operations to the two selected meshes. So we need to select our cutter and our wall. To select that, hold shift. Our wall and our cube are selected and our Boolean operation is available, so select it, and we have a cut in the wall. Very simple and straightforward. If you didn't get this, usually you will get this, so just play with these operations over here, b minus a and a minus b, and we have our option here. You can make it bigger, position it, you can even rotate it, so you can create some nice looking windows, something like that. And when you are done, you can hit accept. And this is how you cut the hole in the wall. If you want to stay with me, we can replicate this process once more, and we will add a sphere, for example, and do the same thing. You can make this bigger, and procedure is the same. Select your sphere, select your wall, go to Boolean, and it will cut it. Hit accept. We can also go with a cone. Hold shift to select cone and select Boolean, and we have this nice cut. Of course, you can move it 90 degrees. And have this half window ready. And this is it, a simple way to cut your holes in walls in Unreal Engine 5. If you find this helpful and useful, let me know in the comments below, and subscribe for more videos like this, and see you in some other video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.